Yeah, today we shall discuss about the journal entries and accounting treatment of redemption of preference shares. As you know, redemption of preference share is nothing but repayment of preference capital to the concerned shareholders. The shareholders are to be paid cash, and company need to make all arrangement cash, and which calls for lot of book adjustment to accommodate such accounting accounting work. The specified entries in the books of company, students, we are keeping accounts in the books of a company. So company, to fulfill the first condition under section 55, it says only fully paid shares can be redeemed. If at all, at the time of redemption, preference shares are partly paid, they have to be converted into fully paid by making a call. So entry for making a call, that is preference share final call account debit to capital. Whatever amount of balance amount on shares left, that will be called asked to pay. So when call money due, the first entry. Then when concerned shareholders pay the call money and company receives amount, bank account debited to preference share final call account. Then, as you know, company need money to repay the capital, then it has to be arranged. If company does not have enough cash, then it may sell asset. If assets sold at a profit loss account should be credited. If assets are sold at a loss in the sense sale proceeds is less than the book value, the difference will come in the debit, that loss to be transferred to profit loss account. So in case of loss, bank account debited to profit loss account and concerned asset account. If sale at a profit, bank account debit to concerned asset account debit to concerned asset account and to profit and loss account. Then company can issue debentures for arranging cash. If it is at a par, bank to debenture account. If it is at a premium, bank account debit, debenture account debit to debenture premium account. If it is at a discount, bank account debit, discount on issue of debentures account debit to bank to debentures account. As you know, issue can be made either at par or at a premium or even at a discount. Then company, if issues shares, if shares are issued par, bank account debited to share capital account. If shares are issued at a premium, premium should be separately credited. Hence, bank account debit, share capital account to security premium account. This security premium can be utilized or provided for premium on redemption. If shares are fresh issue, it is shares are issued at a discount, then bank account debit, net cash, discount on issue shares account, it is a loss, debit to share capital account. Then, as you know, when redemption is made at a premium, if it is set in the problem that company or director decided to repay or redeem preference shares at a premium, then you have to account for the premium. If nothing is mentioned in the problem, you have to take or consider as redemption at a par. So when redemption is premium payable on redemption must be provided first out of security premium or debenture premium. Then if that premium balance is insufficient, for the balance divisible profit can be utilized. So the entry security premium account debit to the extent available. If there is a debenture premium, then debenture premium account debit. If it is insufficient, balance out of divisible profit. Sometimes there may not be security premium balance in the balance sheet as well as in the new issue. So entire amount of premium should be provided out of divisible profit. Divisible profit, you need to specify there whatever balance given in the balance sheet, maybe profit loss appropriation account or dividend equalization reserve account or sometimes a taxation reserve, whatever. So all such balances when utilized should be given debit. Then the premium payable on redemption should be given credit because it is an arrangement. Then that premium will be transferred to shareholders account later while making actual payment. Then step 4, as you know, if redemption is made out of divisible profit so utilized must be transferred to CRR, or in other words, CRR should be created to the extent profit utilized on redemption. The entry Concerned divisible profit account, it may be dividend reserve, profit loss account, general reserve, or any contingency reserve, whatever utilized to capital redemption reserve account. This capital redemption reserve account, again it will appear in the balance sheet. Then for the actual redemption, share capital application, liability side in sense, all share capital gives a credit balance. Now before making payment, because payment will be made to shareholders account, not the share capital. First share capital should be transferred to shareholders account, then making a payment. So if redemption is made at a par, preference share capital account debit, because it appears in the balance sheet on the liability side in the credit balance. Now to transfer debit to preference shareholders account. If redemption of preference shares at a premium, then preference share capital account debit, premium on redemption. You see in other case, premium will be provided and by giving a credit to that. Now to utilize that, give debit, then total amount to shareholders account. Then when actual payment made or actual payment made to the shareholders, then redeemable preference shareholders account debited to bank account. Then sometimes if the bank balance is insufficient, company need to make arrangements, then maybe a bank account debited to loan account. If nothing is mentioned in the problem, and while calculating, if you find that cash balance is insufficient, both cash and bank together is insufficient, means less than the total amount payable to preference shareholders, for the balance you need to arrange overdraft. Problem may not tell anything about that, but making a payment or that final entry to give before giving a credit to bank, you need to make arrangement. When you pass entry for grant of overdraft, then entry will be bank account to bank overdraft account. So this is all about journal entries. Next session we shall see